Now, don't get it wrong. They're not fixing anything that I did wrong. Everything was perfect. They're just, this is a natural tune-up. They're not because of my neglect at all. Maybe a little. Whatever, get out of here. Saved me from having to sand them all by hand. I was where I thought the little ones couldn't go through. I've been doing this crap by hand. Nice. Normally I needed gloves because I might have been overheating the part. Bob didn't tell me, so.
Never my fault. He just does what he wants. You should know that by now.
Way easier when they do it, though. Yeah, they're the same. That was obviously because I was running it too hard. Because Bob didn't tell me the correct way. Just want to demonstrate how easy it is, and hopefully you'll understand after this. Let's see. Is it working? Am I doing a good job? Is it? Oh, there it goes. I'm a freaking genius. That was easy.